Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Jordan J, and today we have another installment of a video that I haven't done in quite some time. Can it be styled 3 ways? And in this video I'm going to show you all how I integrate my new items into my current wardrobe seamlessly. So yeah, if you're interested in it, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and let's hop right into it. All right, y'all, so in these videos, I style up 3 new in items 3 ways each. So let's get into the very first one, starting off with this navy trench coat from Fashion Nova. If you watched my last video, then you know how much I love this trench. Had to make sure I could style it up 3 ways because I love it so much, and that is exactly what I did. All right, y'all, so the first way I styled it up was with just a white t-shirt from Express, my skyscraper distressed jeans also from Express, and then I just have on some white tennis shoes from Aldo, and then I wanted to do a pop of red because red and navy look so good together. So I just went ahead and did my red shoulder bag from Revolve and a red hat that I got from Fashion Nova. Oh, and for sunglasses, I did my navy blue Dior sunglasses, and I absolutely love this look and how it came together. It was absolutely perfect. This look right here is perfect for running errands, going shopping, doing pretty much anything. You can wear this to lunch. And if you want to wear it in the evening, of course, you can switch out the tennis shoes for some heels and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's the first look. And then the second look, I just did some navy pinstripe trousers because I was curious to know what it would look like with my pinstripe trousers. So I did my navy pinstripe trousers from Express, and then for my top I did a taupe mesh crop top from Fashion Nova. I rolled the sleeves up on the coat so you could see the mesh sleeves coming through on the top. And then for shoes, I just did my taupe nudie kind of flip-flop heels from Jessica Simpson, and then my bag is an old clutch from ASOS. And for sunglasses, I just did my gold Gucci sunglasses, and that was the look. Absolutely love that. That's perfect for date night. Yeah, I think I'd only wear that to date night, but that's like a perfect date night look. I love it. I did something I told y'all I was gonna do in the Fashion Nova haul. So I put that yellow sweatsuit from Fashion Nova up under the navy trench coat. I love the way it looks. The yellow with the navy, I love the way that looks. That's perfect for spring. If it's still cool where you are in the spring, it's a perfect combination. And then I put on my new white tennis shoes from Aldo. And my bag, I put on this cream tote bag from Aldo. I actually wish I had done this bag instead because I feel like it would have looked better than the one that I did, but it's fine. It is fine. But yeah, y'all, I absolutely love this look. This is another good errands look. You can wear this to your hair appointment, get your nails done, shopping. Good travel look also because it's very comfortable. You got on sweatpants and a sweatshirt, and then you just have on a trench coat to help keep you warm. So yeah, absolutely love all these looks, and I love this trench, y'all. This trench is so perfect for my wardrobe, so I'm glad that I added it. All right, y'all, so next up we styled up this denim vest. As you know, this is another piece from the Fashion Nova haul that I absolutely love. So I had to make sure I could style this up 3 ways, which I knew I could, but I just wanted to play around with it. So for the first look, again, this is something that I mentioned in the Fashion Nova haul. I styled it up with those olive green cargo pants from Fashion Nova. And then for shoes, I just put on my leopard print tennis shoes from H&M. And my bag is my brown Coach, I forget the name of that bag, but it's a brown Coach bag. And then my sunglasses are my 12 p.m. Studios glasses. I think they're the London green. Love those, and I love the way this look came together. This is perfect for when it's warmer outside. You definitely can pull this out and wear this to run errands, go shopping, go to brunch, breakfast date, lunch, walk around downtown, whatever the case is. But y'all, I love this look. All right, y'all, so for the next look, I have on the vest with a gold knee length skirt, satin skirt. I don't remember where this skirt is from, like at all. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, I love the way that the denim with the gold look together. And then I just have on some brown sandals from 9 West. And then I have on a brown top handle bag from Aldo. Love this look. This is something, once again, you can wear it to brunch, you can wear it to lunch, you can wear it running errands, shopping. You can wear this on a dinner date as well. You can wear this, you can wear it so many places, and I love that. Love it so much. It's perfect, like perfect. Oh, my sunglasses, I almost forgot. I have on some tortoise frame sunglasses with a brown lens from Shein with this look as well. And like I said, I just love it. Love everything about it. And for this last look, I just went ahead and styled up the vest with some taupe trousers from Express, my gold pumps from Macy's, and then a gold clutch from Shein. Absolutely love this look. Oh, and my sunglasses are my gold Gucci glasses once again. Just love this look. This look right here I definitely would wear on a date night when I don't want to do too much, but I want to do enough. I think the denim vest with the trousers, it just looks really good, and I can definitely see me styling this up with like some other colored trousers as well, like my red ones, or even some khaki ones. I think this with some khaki trousers, it would look really good together. But y'all, I absolutely love this look. Like I said, it's perfect for date night. You definitely could throw some sandals on with this look as well and wear it during the day. I think that would be really cute as well. But yeah, love this vest. So glad that I got it. So yeah. All right, y'all, so for the last piece, we are styling up this plaid clutch from ASOS. I have not shown y'all this yet, but I absolutely love this clutch, and I was just thirsty to style it up, so that's what I did. So for the first look, I just have it styled up with a brown blazer from Fashion Nova, a cream crop top from H&M maybe. And then I just have it paired with jeans as well. So I have on some jeans from Fashion Nova. They're distressed. And then my shoes are just some brown shoes that I recently got from Zara. And my sunglasses are, I think those sunglasses are from Forever 21. They're like some rose gold frames with the brown lens, and I just love the way this looks. This look is perfect for anything during the daytime. I could see me wearing this going shopping, going to brunch, lunch date, going to get my nails done, whole bunch of different things I can see this look for. I absolutely love it. So for the next look, I styled this up very simply with a taupe sweater dress from Abercrombie. And then for shoes, I wish I had some more brown slides, but I don't, so I just went with these. I just have on these brown slides from Steve Madden, and y'all also have on some glasses. I think those are also from Forever 21. Y'all, I'm not completely sure, but I think those are also from Forever 21. They may be the same glasses from the last look, as a matter of fact. But y'all, absolutely love this look. It's just simple. This I would definitely throw on and wear to the grocery store, throw on and wear it to get my nails done, hair done. Definitely if I have a braid appointment or something, because you really want to be comfortable for a braid appointment, especially because you know you're going to be sitting for, you know, hours. So yeah, this look right here is just perfect. I also can see me wearing this shopping as well. But yeah, absolutely love this look. And then for the last look, y'all, this is my favorite. This is my favorite look probably out of the whole video. This is my favorite. So for this look, I have on this white crop knit mock neck sweater. That's a tank top from Shein that I've had forever, that I need to wear more, and now I have another way to wear it. And then on the bottom, I have on some khaki cargo trousers from Fashion Nova. On my feet, I have on my brown Fashion Nova mules. You probably can't even see them, but chocolate brown mules from Fashion Nova on the feet. And then for my cardigan, because this bag, it does have some blue in it. I don't know how well you can see, but it does have some blue in it. So I wanted to pull that out with this cardigan. And so I put on this blue cardigan from Temu, and my sunglasses are some brown sunglasses from Amazon, and I absolutely love this look. Definitely wearing this when we go to brunch, if the weather allows it anyway. When the next time we go to brunch, if it's warm outside still, because our weather has been kind of up and down. It's been in the 70s some days, 50s some days. I think Monday is going to be 38 degrees. So if the weather permits, I'm probably gonna wear this because I absolutely love the way it looks. Love everything about it. You could also wear this like if you're going maybe to a comedy show or something like that. I think this will be a good look for that too. I do have one of those coming up too. I might wear it for that. I don't know, we'll see. But I wouldn't be able to wear my bag because you have to have a clear bag. So I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, y'all, that's that. And y'all, when I say I love this clutch, I love this clutch. I think it's sold out, but I'm gonna link it down below anyway, so that you can check, you can hit the notify me bell just in case it comes back in stock. Also, we've reached the end of this video. Of course, let me know down below what your favorite look was and also what your favorite piece was out of this video. Also, let me know if you like this style of video. I will be doing them more often because I have to make sure that the things that I buy integrate seamlessly into my wardrobe. If I can't style it at least 3 ways, then I don't need to keep it. So that's what these videos are for, to make sure that I can style up my things at least 3 ways so that I can make sure I can keep them. But anyway, make sure that you hit that notification bell, subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.